Hi everyone, welcome to this quick video. We are going to cover how to divide fractions. Dividing fractions is pretty easy once you discover the steps. Now, to divide fractions, the key component of dividing fraction is to flip the second fraction or the fraction on the right hand side, which in this case is 2 over 5. We're flipping it and then multiply. The process whereby you flip this fraction on the right hand side is called what? Finding its reciprocal. So let's divide these two fractions, like 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 5. Let's get started. So what happens now is that you just flip this becomes 3 over 4 times 5 over 2. Once that is done, you can now multiply the numerator. That is 3 multiply 5 and 4, and then the denominator will multiply each other. So 3 multiplied by 5 will give me what? 15. And then 4 multiplied by 2 will give me what? 8. And there you have it. The answer is 15 over 8, which is an improper fraction, right? To convert this now to a mixed number, we'll do the following. Our answer will now be 1 number 7 over 8. So remember, when dividing fractions, flip the second fraction and then multiply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick math tips. Other videos on fractions are in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.